Sorry. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my second look I've decided to do with the Smoke Sessions. Yeah, you're in the right place if that's how I talk. This is my second look with the Smoke Sessions palette by Melt. If you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. So this is Sweet Tooth and Blue Dreams. Okay, so look, so there's Miss Arellano, so pretty. That eye look, that is bomb diggity dong. I'm gonna touch a little on Space Queen in this palette and kind of soften it by mixing it with this cornflower blue and kind of use those to kind of create a outline just on the outside. So I want to kind of give myself a little bit of a triangular effect. Okay, I'm gonna put some music on for you. That is out there. Okay. I keep like worrying. I'm like, oh, this is getting out of control. This is getting out of control. And then I clean it up and I'm fine. I just want to create a little bit of a darkness on the outside of this wang with shadow. I took that Sweet Tooth shade and rubbed it all over and kind of, caught my other eye up to speed. I really kind of massaged it into the inner crease area, and I'll continue to do that with that mean green shade, that darker green right here, like on this outer area before I kind of shape it. This is a green kohl pencil. I haven't tapped into the Blue Dream shade like at all. Alright, I'm gonna catch my other eye up to speed and look at this picture again. Make sure I'm not crazy. I feel like I'm messing up, but that's okay. We're gonna trust the process. I'm in that like weird like what next phase. I keep going back to my picture and I'm like, I know I want to keep the outer edge a little bit darker. I have taken part of my vanity apart. Like, I'm not kidding, hold on. Look at this. There's drawers on the other side I don't want to slide out. It's just so I can have all my brushes sitting right here because I'm kind of like, I'm not in the mood to like fucking stretch. I decided to kind of remove more of that intensity of the wing and kind of give it more round off edge. I do see some areas I have to go through and kind of blend it downward. To me, Lora, the co-owner of Melt, whom this palette is by, she is like the queen of blending that lower lash line to filth. So we're not doing it right unless we do that, sir. I like where the camera's at right here because look, you can't see me doing this. The shade Blue Dream, which I can already tell, like it's kind of one of those like, I know the word shardy is not right, but like glacierific shade. It's going to go everywhere, but I kind of want to buff some of that lightness. It's cute from far away. I don't have a follow-up to that. Just playing. So I kind of feel like I'm gonna get messier before I get cute. So I'm gonna try to use, oh, pat that back together. Oh shit. See what I mean by, this is what I mean by shardy. It's a terrible explanation. Whatever, it's like literal shards. So I'm going to get my face dry. I'm going to do all this makeup all over again. And then we're gonna buff out the edges and put on some mascara, and I'm gonna tight line both, and then we'll see what it looks like. Just planning. Trust the process. Okay, so welcome back. I applied the makeup that kind of removed. I already just had like a CC cream on. I put more intense bronzer. I went kind of like a peachy blush, and this is Please Me Lip Glass by MAC. So it kind of just like makes it baby doll pink. And I just went and I like used a black liner to do the waterline, tight line, some heavy mascara. Thought about putting lashes on, but it was one of those like, it's only Tuesday. So here's the look. Started out trying to do like a wing sort of thing earlier with mapping everything out, and really I should have just kind of continued to buff and play, because I like the way it ended up as opposed to like the idea I had started in my head, you know? You know what I mean? Sure. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you're having a great day. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay? Okay, bye.